Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am your presenter and host Muhammad Iqbal, and you are watching my YouTube channel Q and Q. The topic of our video today is no one but Obama. Barack Obama served as the 44th President of the US from 2009 to 2017. Obama passed several bills which sought to extend welfare support and help the economy to recover from the financial and economic crisis of 2009. His primary legislation included Healthcare Reform, Protection and Affordable Care Act, and the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009. Obama also approved a major bailout of the automobile industry. In foreign policy, Obama sought to end the war in Iraq, though he committed military support to combat the growing presence of ISI in Iraq and Syria. Obama was born 4th August 1961 in Hawaii. His father was a Kenyan intellectual and his mother was a white teenager from Kansas. When Barack was still young, his father abandoned the family, and Barack would only meet his father on a few future occasions. After a brief spell living in Indonesia, he moved back to Hawaii, where he was raised by his grandparents. For some years, Obama's nationality was the subject of intense speculation by the right-wing media, and figures such as Donald Trump suggesting Obama was not American. Obama later produced 2 birth certificates to prove his nationality. After studying law at Harvard, he worked as a civil rights lawyer in Chicago. It was here in Chicago that he met his future wife, Michelle. They married in 1992 and had 2 children. In 1996, he gained his major political breakthrough, serving in the Illinois State Senate. In 2004, he was elected to the US Senate, where he gained a reputation as one of the rising stars in the Democrat Party. Despite a lack of political experience, he put forward his name for the Democratic presidential candidate in 2008. Against the stiff opposition of Hillary Clinton, Obama ran a near-perfect campaign. His campaign generated a flood of popular grassroots support, making use of social media and internet networking. Against the much older Republican candidate, Senator John McCain, Obama won a hard-fought contest, taking the 2008 presidential election. His victory was greeted with an unusual degree of enthusiasm and excitement, not just in America, but around the world. On becoming president, he found the political environment hostile. The Republican-dominated Congress was able to block much of Obama's key legislation. Obama was elected on liberal platform. Before the election, he promised to close down Guantanamo Bay and improve America's image abroad. To the Muslim world, we seek a new way forward, based on mutual interest and mutual respect. To those leaders around the globe who seek to sow conflict or blame their societies' ills on the West, know that your people will judge you on what you can build, not what you can destroy. To those who cling to power through corruption and deceit and silencing and dissent, know that you are on the wrong side of the history, but that we will extend a hand if you are willing to unclench your fist. Barack Obama, compared to other American political figures, he is perceived as less accommodating to Israel and more sympathetic to Palestine. In 2011, the US was the only country to veto a Security Council resolution condemning illegal Israeli settlements. However, one of his last acts as president in December 2016 was of the US to abstain on similar motion condemning Israeli settlement building. In an era of increased partnership, Obama has sought to rise above the political fray and present a vision of a united America, a country which transcends the division of race and politics. In this country, we rise or fall as one nation, as one people. Let's resist the temptation to fall back on the same partnership and pettiness and immaturity that has poisoned our politics for so long. Assuming office in January 2009, Obama inherited an economy struggling to overcome the deepest recession since the 1930s. In 2009, he passed an economic stimulus package. It helped to boost economic recovery, and unemployment fell significantly during Obama's presidency. The US recovery proved quicker than comparable economies in Europe, but growth was uneven, with low wage growth. Despite concerns about the economy, in 2012, Obama was able to win re-election, defeating the Republican candidate Mitt Romney. In domestic policy, his biggest policy initiative was in healthcare, Affordable Health Care Act, often termed Obamacare. It was passed into law in 2010 and upheld by the Supreme Court in late 2012. Obama describes himself as Christian. He was raised as Christian, not as a regular churchgoer, saying that he made that choice in adult life. He also believes that different faiths and religions can share same values and lead to the same goal. Obama has two daughters, Malia and Sasha. I hope you liked the video. If you did so, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and share this video as much as you can. For more videos, stay tuned with Q and Q.